Got cracks or holes in your concrete fence posts? Don't ignore them. Over time, small cracks can weaken your fence, causing bigger, more expensive problems. But don't worry. Today, I'll show you how to repair them easily with just a few simple tools. Let's get started. Before applying any repair material, we need to prepare the surface. Start by using a wire brush to remove loose debris, dirt, or crumbling concrete. This helps the patching material bond properly. Next, grab a hose or spray bottle and rinse the area to remove any dust. You don't want it soaking wet, just damp enough to help with adhesion. Let it dry slightly before moving to the next step. Now it's time to fill the crack. You'll need a concrete patch mix or hydraulic cement, both of which work great for small to medium cracks. If you're using a dry mix, follow the instructions to get the right consistency. It should be thick, like peanut butter. Once your patching mix is ready, use a trowel or putty knife to press the material firmly into the crack. Make sure to push it deep into the hole to ensure a solid bond. If you're fixing a larger hole, you may need to apply the patch in layers, letting each one dry slightly before adding the next. Once the crack is filled, use a trowel to smooth out the surface. This helps blend the patch with the rest of the post for a seamless look. Now let it cure for at least 24 hours. If you're using quick-setting cement, it may harden in just a few hours, but waiting a full day ensures maximum strength. For extra durability, consider applying a concrete sealant once it's fully cured. This will protect it from moisture, preventing future cracks. And that's it. Your fence post is good as new, and you just saved yourself time and money with this easy repair. But if your fence needs professional care, we're here to help. Call 78176735596 or visit kaonfenceinc.com for expert fence repairs and installations. We'll make sure your fence stands strong for years to come.